Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Ingredients, and let me know. Please feel the taste. Guys, hello my beautiful people, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Guys, I just came back from the gym. Now just said, let me review myself, let me show you guys. It's going to 3 weeks or 2 weeks. I think it's going to 2.5 weeks after the Christmas. I was telling you on one of my videos that I've gained a lot of weight. My tummy is very bloated, and you can still see it on my roundy face. You can see I'm still puffing a little bit, so let me share with you guys what I use, how I manage. I'm still on diet, but I'm eating good food. I'm eating a full nutrition food now at the minute, and let me share with you guys, because one of my video I show you guys apple cider vinegar. That is, it's very good to lose weight. If you have not checked that video, you can check that video as well. That will help you as well to lose weight speedily with a little bit of exercise. As you can see, I'm in my gym suit. I just came back from the gym. I did treadmill, I did spinning, squats, and a little bit of weight, and I do my tummy, I do the sit-up, I do lunges, and so on and so forth. So it's actually take me just 45 minutes because I normally time myself. So I feel free, and I feel so relieved. It's just like a big commitment in my heart and in my head. If I'm eating a good nutrition, if I do not do any exercise, I feel like I'm not here fulfilled. That's always happened to you guys, I don't know. And like I said, it's almost 2 weeks now. I've dropped a lot of pounds. I've dropped a lot of weight, to be honest, because I drink different. I'll be showing you guys, but I might not be able to show. I'll be showing myself every 2 weeks, every two weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, so that you people, you can follow me as well. So today is 2.5 weeks after the Christmas. I've put on a lot of pounds. I was 70. I measure my weight. I'm always in between 60-62, but after Christmas I was actually 70. So guys, and I've done my exercise. I've drink almost 2 liters of water. I place myself to 2 liters of water in a day, and I eat good healthy food. I get rid of sweets, and I sleep. And at the minute I'm in night duty, so when I come back from work, I make sure that I have like 4 to 3.5 hours sleep. I drop the kids, I'll go to the gym from there, then I'll do a little bit of my YouTube. At the minute now, guys, I'm back to night duty. I might be upload video maybe 2 or 3 times in a week. Please guys, bear with me. If I'm back today, I'll be upload my video time to time. And the exercise work, and I saw one of the beautiful remedy on YouTube, and this person is a very big YouTuber. Okay, you guys might scared. I don't want to mention the name. I don't want any YouTube problem, you know. I might be mentioning the name now. We put my channel or my YouTube into trouble. So the recipe is very good, and I'm going to show you guys today. When you eat this food, okay, you will feel full, and you will see your skin, you will feel full. You are not going to be bloated at all. What I discovered for the past 2-3 days now, when I have that this my diet food at night, I don't hungry, I don't be craving for food, but I drink a lot of water, then I'll be eating a lot of fruits. Okay, that if you are a shift like me, at night you can go with a lot of different fruits, your favorite fruit, your water, your favorite drink. Okay, so that worked for me. So I will stand up now. I'm very horrible. I'm not good with all this YouTube edits, good light. I'll be among a professional YouTuber light and everything. Okay guys, bear with me. Thank you so much for the love guys you show towards my YouTube. I'm increased every blessed day. I'm excelled. It shall be well. Thank you so much for your support. So today's video I'll be showing you step by step how we're going to make the dinner. Okay, it's very heavy, it's full of nutrition, so I'm just cutting. I'm getting there guys. I will stand up now. I will show you guys my status at minutes. I'm proud of myself. I've lost a lot, so you can see I've lost a little bit now at the minute. So I see her for this with the help of, I'll be sharing with you all the remedy that I'm going to be using for this weight loss. So I'm getting there. I'm not fully there, but I'm getting there gradually. You understand guys? Bear with me with bear with me guys with my camera, okay? I'm getting there. I'm not professional. I can't, a house cannot build a day. It's gradually guys. So let's go straight to the remedy, how we're going to be cooking our vegetable today. I hope this will help you guys. If it helps you, give thumb up, leave comment, continue to subscribe, share my video guys. Let's go guys. So guys, I'm using one hand to hold the camera. So we are going to be using Scotch bonnet. You can use Scotch bonnet or you can do without. We from Nigeria, we like hot pepper. I like my food to be pepperish, to be really pepper, extra spicy. So I'm going to be using the blended pepper, the blended Scotch bonnet. Okay, this includes a dry tomato and crayfish, powder crayfish. So I brought this from Nigeria myself, so I'm going to be using this. And we also need onions, okay? And I'm going to add it another crayfish, powder crayfish. This is from Nigeria. I brought this from Nigeria. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of crayfish. I love the aroma, I love the taste of crayfish, especially the one you make yourself. And as well, sorry guys, as well we need cabbage, so you can get any brand you want. And as well, we are going to be using palm oil. I brought this as well from Nigeria. So it's in the big cake, so I have to be putting it like this. So I brought it back on myself. So we need red oil. I just like the taste. I just want to feel the taste of Africa. I don't want to be punish myself or to be starving myself. I just want to have everything in this my vegetable. Also, the person that I'm copying, this is how she did it as well. Okay, I'm a typical Nigerian girl. So guys, I will put everything I love there. So this is how I used to make. So I won't feel starving or I won't feel like punishment. I want to enjoy it. So I'm going to be using salmon today. On Friday I use Nigeria mackerel and I love it, but today I decided to use this, okay? And I'm going to use Irish prawns, okay? I love prawns. So I just want this to be very, very nice. You might excuse all this, but love, if you taste it, it tastes so lovely. So I'm going to be using Irish prawns. And I'm going to be using mixed vegetable as well, okay? The one I make on Monday, I use broccoli, but I don't have any broccoli at the minute, so I will use this. I normally use this for my fried rice or jollof rice, so I'm going to use some of this as well. So we should go straight, we should dive to the, sorry guys, I forgot to show you, I'm going to use one Maggi. And I love this seasoning So I'm going to use seasoning. It's very lovely seasoning. I'm in love with this seasoning. It's very, very good. It's very, very yummy. This seasoning, you can put it in jollof, fried, any type of food. I don't know how to explain it. It's very lovely seasoning. So now I've put my saucepan in there. So we have to add the palm oil first. So I only need just quarter of a spoon of a tablespoon, okay, just for the color. It's going to give it color and the African taste, you know, all those type of taste. I love it. You can use coconut oil, you can use vegetable oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use any of the oil that you're comfortable, guys. Okay, I just want to feel like I'm still eating my African food. Okay, so I'm going to add my onion for flavor. So the next is going to be the cabbage. I love fried my cabbage. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand to hold camera and I'm using one hand to fry my cabbage. So this will last me for 2 days, so I'm going to reserve the rest. You can see the color already. You can see the color is already changed, so that's what I want. Remember guys to put it in the lower heat, okay? And I'm going to put my powder crayfish, the one that is already blended, and I'm going to put my minced vegetable as well. And that is green beans, carrot, and corn. Continue to stir it. Now, and I'm going to be putting Maggi. Guys, look at the color. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys, I'm going to be putting 2 fish, the 2 salmon. I choose, you can put 3 or you can put half or 1, but I love fish. All this will be full. You can add rice if you have the rice that you don't want to eat, or if you have the rice, you can add rice. I'm telling you, I don't want to cook rice. Last time I put excuse me guys, last time I put rice and it was so lovely. I'm just lazy. So I'm going to be putting the seasoning, okay, to just for flavor and taste. Oh, smells so nice, guys. Guys, my prawns, my low fat prawns. Remember guys, Irish low fat protein, high in protein, low fat prawns, okay? So I'm going to be showing myself every 2 weeks. So guys, that is the prawns. So guys, I'm going to be putting Maggi. I love this brand. You can use no chicken, but I just like that brand. So you don't add water, okay? It's going to provide its own water. So guys, I'm going to put salt. After it's not too much. So so you keep stirring it and you leave it. So I almost want to forget to put my ground pepper, the one that I've already blended. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of blended pepper. You can add 2. I love pepper. I think I will add 2 teaspoons of pepper. So you can add 1. It depends what you want. So guys, I'm going to cover it, okay? You have to cover it, okay, to generate the steam, and all the ingredients will go inside. So make sure you cover it. To be honest guys, because of the steam now, I don't think it's up to 10 minutes. Let's say just leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. It's not up to 10 minutes anyway. So it's ready to go. So I'm going to dish it. I'm going to show you I'm going to heat this. You can also heat it with rice, with bread, with toast, with anything you feel like. Okay, because I'm desperate to lose my weight, I'm going to eat it this way. I'll be eating starch and vegetable rice with this for the past since last week anyway. So guys, all right. So guys, how I wish I can take the picture, but I'm not very good with pictures. So this is how it looks. It's very lovely. And guys, you can see this palm oil. It's changed the look of African food. So guys, this is it. So join me. I need to taste it first. Join me please guys. You can see the color. This is too nice. Guys, go get your own ingredients and let me know. Please feel the taste. Follow this step by step. Don't skip this video now because you will miss some if by skipping it you might miss some ingredients. Just all the ingredients, follow it step by step and cook it and heat it and let me know what you think. Tell me how it tastes, how you feel after 1 week. It's so nice guys. I love it. Thank you guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.